Here are 10 great ideas for introverts who want to enhance their math skills. Embrace solo learning. Introverts often thrive when learning independently. Utilize textbooks, online courses, or educational apps that cater to self-paced learning. Create a calm study environment. Designate a quiet, distraction-free space where you can focus without interruption. This could be a dedicated room, a corner of your bedroom, or even a peaceful spot in a library. Visualize and diagram. Many introverts are visual learners. Use diagrams, charts, and graphs to represent mathematical concepts, making them easier to understand and remember. Practice regularly, but in short bursts. Instead of marathon study sessions, break your practice into shorter, more frequent intervals. This can prevent burnout and keep your mind sharp. Seek out online communities. Connect with other math enthusiasts online through forums, social media groups, or virtual study groups. Share your struggles, ask questions, and learn from others in a low-pressure environment. Find a math mentor. If possible, find a tutor or mentor who understands your introverted nature. They can offer personalized guidance and create a supportive learning atmosphere. Explore math through your interests. Connect math to your passions. If you love music, explore the mathematical patterns in melodies. If you enjoy art, delve into the geometry of shapes and perspective. Journal your math journey. Keep a math journal to record your progress, reflections, and insights. This can help you track your growth, identify areas for improvement, and reinforce your understanding. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and reward yourself for every milestone you achieve, no matter how small. This will boost your confidence and motivation to continue learning. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, tutors, or online resources. There's no shame in asking for clarification or guidance. Remember, being an introvert can be an asset in math. Your ability to focus deeply, reflect on problems, and learn independently can be powerful tools for mastering this subject.